Small chops for the win.
Ona well done, oh, welcome back, and still marriage Palava on top Naija TV now with this. So, and I know say before we go break, I've been telling us say we get one ogbonge guest for today, and why I decide to bring this our guest now because of say when other people they enjoy their traditional marriage palm wine, you understand? You know, say for Igbo land, when man, you understand, when man they do traditional marriage, in white guys use palm wine, take fine and go round, come down for in front, give her, I mean, go drink her, and then put a small change inside, you understand? Then go, you know, first you go meet the parent, then they go bless her. This guy no enjoy her. This guy no enjoy her. Ladies and gentlemen, I get for studio this wonderful show today, Sunday Onyenachia, aka Sonny Messiah. This guy an architect. Like when I mean architect, now waiting study for university, and in the practice, you not be like people who study architect and you go turn to carpenter. You understand? This one they study well. And a comedian, you understand, and a husband and a father. Sonny, how you doing now?
I dey fine. I don't make up my bill. Finally, I do TV. This I know you from uncompleted building.
No. You know, say you always report from uncompleted building for social media.
I'm reporting from
this building is complete. This building is complete. How you doing now?
I dey fine.
How madam?
I dey fine. Madam dey
Now,
fine.
madam, they try. We supposed to see madam. If you see madam, go just shake and say, "Mama, you don't try."
If you see am, go don't say me. That work where they do for uncompleted building, I know the West Ham.
You know the West Ham. You they do the uncompleted building work. Come go finish up for our side, have you? Architect.
Man, they work.
they
Woman, they
job. So, Sonny, traditional marriage as it be so now, you know, say for Igbo land now, we don't make traditional marriage be like say we they sell our daughters. You understand? And why I bring you come now because of say I know say for your own traditional marriage day, you not the present. How you take do that kind of thing? Like how you take day Lagos and your traditional, and it be like say your wife to not there around you. Two of them are not there. Two of them are there. They also for Lagos. You tell them say continue with the rights. Now you see it happen.
Okay, I say we can correct one impression before we continue because the way you carry talk, people go to say this guy na poverty do am.
No.
First off, I correct something. Before we go on, I want make people know say the whole idea say marriage expensive for East, bride price this one that say na lie. They don't reduce bride price for East.
Are you serious?
Drastically. I just say this November that they do Black Friday
For
Anambra and Mbise.
On Ayera, Anambra and Mbise, they do Black Friday.
It has been reduced to the barest minimum. Someone now
serious?
told me that people can go marry with ease. The bride price is now 5 million. So it's now cheap. You can go and marry. That's 5 million. That's what is reduced.
I believe so when I know you're waiting talk. Bride price, Black Friday for bride price now for Anambra and Imo. Now na 5 million BRS minimum. My brother, thank God I don't marry. If not this BRS minimum day. No wonder, Sonny. No wonder we get more advanced men in age for Igbo land we never marry than in other tribes. Well, before we talk about that one, I want hear how you take day for Lagos with your wife to be then, and then day for East with your parent and their parent. Then they judge no matter.
People will still say, "Na Zoom, Shabon." Zoom never come out. At least if you don't come out, you never did this popular.
Yeah,
you get so. The whole thing dey easy for me to do. Okay, one, I know day my traditional wedding. My wife no day.
True confession.
Yes, I dey talk am. But before then, me and my papa don't follow go.
Okay.
You know, carry drink. The number, I don't know.
Like,
yes.
Yeah.
We go knock for door, tell them who are they find. So me no be like say, now my passport go. So I come through with my father. We go meet them. My people who I know. If you know my father-in-law, I hope say they know they hear this thing. His face is not the kind of face I like seeing every day because he's a very serious person. Okay. You understand? He's very serious, you know. let me explain how serious my father-in-law is. One time I go their house, if they read church manual, the way he frown, I sure say if Jesus did that page, Jesus go waka go to another page. The way he frown, they leave the thing. So you know that he's such a serious person.
And no, if he be say no be say, but I saw him face just day.
Mommy say, as my mother-in-law tell me say, thank God say him husband get that kind face. People for use for do am shege because in get soft mind, but in face come strong. So it's like what you see is not what you get.
Yeah, don't judge the book by its cover.
That's so you get that. So we don't know. I don't know my wife for a long time.
Like how long?
Before we marry. I don't know her for like 10 years.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Before na marry. No be that.
No. No be no in the no where you dey know.
But we continue.
Because if I go there, I feel the talk things, we are not know am the way where you want know am until I marry her.
Okay.
So first of all, now the same church we dey go.
Okay.
Then I can't say we share some common interests. I like creative writing. I don't like writing as a day. Now creative writing where I enjoy. So and she dey do that well. She's very good at it. So gradually we dey talk about creative writing. She starts something where she dey write on social media at that time. I become her editor. They help make contributions like that. We begin the talk. They go. So last when you reach marriage matter, both of us dey Lagos.
I want to ask you one question. How it take reach for you to decide say na this babe I gonna marry?
Okay, first of all, if person here say I be comedian, person go think say in the wide, in the crazy, in all those in the crazy. You get so I be. You get what you know they call ambivert. Ambivert na person where you be introvert, you also be extrovert.
Extrovert, yeah. You don't learn to manage both of them.
So I be strong introvert. The extrovert, now when I hold my now they show. Or maybe when I dey among friends, people with my real friends.
If you bring out the extra in you.
Now they show. So normally for me, I don't talk say I hate anybody will be woman will be extrovert. But you get something way inside me. Whenever I see woman will be extrovert, they do like this, that thing go recoil, it go cower, go inside. So first of all, when I see my wife, she no get that thing. She be cool, calm, calculated kind of person. If you know my wife, be very detailed. She like detail. So she dey calm. I come close. I can't see say she smart too. She dey intelligent. She no be all this wey we write for Facebook. I'm a sapiosexual. All those ones wey we get 29 for jam. As in the kind person wey dey intelligent.
No find trouble. We'll just continue.
So I can't see say she be all those things.
Yeah.
Now, the things why they find a woman, I see them in her. And meanwhile, before that point, you get one relationship where I just dey waka come out from, where they say the person get some of the things why I want, but the other things why they look for, no day. She dey smart, she dey religious, no be born again. She dey religious. She no dey miss anything for church.
Okay.
That if you want put food inside man, check that na 4 o'clock, she go drop am go
activist.
Church.
Religious activist.
So she's smart, she did good like that. But when I see this one fit waiting I dey want, so I go for her. I like the way she be. She gets some of the things why I no get.
Okay.
Some of the things why I admire.
Make I ask you now. So when you did in Lagos with your wife, I not to say you did Lagos with your wife as in say una dey together. Yeah, she did Lagos the work. He said the Lagos the work. Sure you understand. So you did Lagos with your wife and your papa, your parents and her parents don't meet. Families don't meet as regards the traditional marriage. Guy, as in wetin make una feel say una no go fit dey around for that kind?
Okay, before that point, I don't speak with parents.
Okay.
Talk with my own papa for phone.
Yeah.
Tell them say, I not sure say I dey ready to do anything big. I ask them, we fit do something small. We say my papa go just meet your family. When I know me already, maybe say my papa go just go meet them people and then when I go just meet talk.
Yeah.
Maybe we make sure so we don't leave this level. No say na white wedding they talk about.
Yeah.
And the family they make a music for me. Because that the way we go do that Ekwakanozo.
Yeah.
The father already, she na that be the second time we will come. They don't give me list already. You get, so I don't look the list. The papa don't come out some of the things we inside as a church person. We know like.
Wait,
you get.
You say the papa come out some of the things as a church person we know. On the other hand, that is in father-in-law. The man we in describe as say seriousness. Come out. That means.
No, na good man.
That means then do you good though.
Na good man. I don't think I'm saying. The way you present yourself to your in-laws matter. If you just go there, come the phone, say you be man, you be chairman, they will treat you that way too.
Yeah.
Because they go say, in-law, no word, anything where you talk, we go do am. Oh yeah, now they will go inside, go bring everything where they want.
And the ones where don't even dey for list. Now that time you gonna say then the type list afresh.
Eh?
So you no go like that.
No, I no go like that.
You humble go.
My humility, man, first. I have a humility that if they first go where they go before I reach.
So you did Lagos, your wife did Lagos, una they plan this thing, so then do everything, then do the right finish. They call na for phone as in.
My papa been just they call me, they ask me, they tell me, they give me updates.
Updates, okay.
Guys say we need more money for this one. Or we supposed to do 2 more canopies. The canopy go higher, no go there enough.
Wow.
We need more seats. We need more money. Waiting my own to provide the money now.
You know, I just dey think of how person go dey Lagos, people they chop food on him behalf. You know, and this is not something we say, you know, they common for Igbo land.
Yes.
You know, they common. And the both families they understand them and then pull through.
That's why they talk. That should be marriage, no be war.
Yeah.
Marriage no be when I suppose agree, when I suppose know on ourselves as you know, as family.
Yeah.
You suppose make these people know you. No can they form say now your papa get Lagos. When last you know say no be your papa get Lagos. You just need to level up. I don't see person where because they brag all those things. I go use money, do everything. I go use money, do everything. When time reach, they at the beginning they mention things. They say this one 20,000, I go bring 20,000. Oh
your thoughts there. And we go this commercial break. When we come back, we go talk about my people. We they come back for this thing because this is what we want to talk. If they touch me for my left kidney, we they come back, I beg.
The camera, where's the camera? Otherwise, people are going to we have competence of security agencies here.
Keep going. What is the husband? Excuse.
Hey, look at me here.
We are blocking somebody to shout.
The harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. I shall roche. Give me there. I have a problem. Give me there, problem.
Small chops for the win.
Okay, Sonny, you watch that video?
I say,
My people, you know, say you get some kind feel where you say you need to feel. So, Sonny, you mean say all these things way that guy na Igbo guy, you watch him, wait, you not drink palm wine?
you know what I use? I'm dodging my village people.
No, because let me say, then they do, and according to it, they say canopy no reach, chairs no reach. Let me say, now the full village they attend on a traditional marriage where you and your wife no they present. Guy, how far?
Normally, so it dey funny say I be entertainer, but I know they too like loud stuff for my own personal thing. I be want to do something wey just small, but my own parents and my in-laws, they no agree. The same thing happen for wedding.
Yeah.
You get? They no agree. Because I be want something way small. I just say, make my people go their house, go meet them, tidy this. And they say, no, people suppose know, say, I no follow backyard, collect their pikin.
Aye. You see, this is the way you just talk now. Now, ain't gonna make me ask you now. Parents where they insist on their rights, you understand? Like you talk, say your father-in-law waive out some kind of things, and you want something low. You understand? Your wife too also want something low key. You understand? All of a sudden, then they insist, say this. Parents where they insist on their rights. You know, there are some rights where they for inside traditional marriage list where we say now for parents. She you go to say that's in a traditional something or for you now just share wickedness.
You get what you know they talk. They
Judging from say the guy we want marry not too gallant.
People, you get to know you they talk. They say first of all make you know the rule, then you go break them.
Okay.
You get some persons they are not to hold on to the rule where they go use and prepare you. But when it be their own turn, they say beg you understand now things and all like that. It be like that guy why they tell you. Where we say he wanted to prove him be one proof saying be man in gallant. So in any way they talk, saying go do it with money.
Wow.
And if you hear person they talk like it's only 500,000 where you get. So maybe like say they pack 2 million for one van like that. Come here they talk. So now 500,000 where you carry go. So they go say for palm wine 20,000. You go carry 20,000 and leave them. For cigarette, I don't even know what cigarette they do for Igbo culture. I don't understand. We know they grow tobacco. We know they do cigarette. I don't understand.
And this truth is they among
say cigarette for the youth. As in one kid the future of tomorrow. So the guy just they give money, give money anyhow. After a while, you know this is the money where you don't finish. The guy can't swear like frog. Stand up, go outside. And people come wait for him 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and they find and go outside. Say, how far? Say the money when who don't finish. I don't the money again. So
wait, Sonny. What did they try to tell me with this analysis now? I say, you avoid.
No. See, may not be like say I avoided it. Everything where my people tell me say make I do. I do them to the letter, at least to the best of my knowledge. Everything where they talk say make I do them. And make I straighten out this thing too. Bride price no be the same for every part for Igbo land. Do you understand? In some places, they relatively more expensive than other places.
You know, the bride price is different from the marriage rights.
Yes.
You understand?
On the whole, I they use bride price. They talk about the whole thing as a whole. You understand? When the chips are down, they still will be bride price for Igbo land. Sometimes they reach 5,000.
Yeah.
In fact, in my place, I'm not sure say you reach 200 naira.
Bride price is
The real thing.
I bet call your place. Young men, if na bride price they make you for now you never marry, you understand? Sonny won't call the place where you come from. He say bride price not reach 200 200 naira, not be 200,000. Bride price not reach 200 naira. You understand? Sonny, tell them where you come from.
In fact, okay, I go tell you. See, the other thing I'd advise too: buy shampoo for your love. If where your love they go, they expensive for you. Use that shampoo.
Change
like
yourself back.
Before you say I want money, ask them where are you from?
Yeah.
Say I'm from the east. Where exactly are you from the east? You say across the Niger. That's not what I'm saying. Where exactly across the Niger?
That's before you even fall in love.
Before you fall in love. To avoid stories that thought, person can't say Anambra. You catch love. You hold up back.
Which one be Anambra? You catch love. What do you mean by that? You want to compare Anambra bride price and Imo?
Or the person can't say, as the person say, just say Imo State. Say where in Imo State? Exactly. Yeah, we talking. Is he naked? The person say no. Is he all? The person say no. Where exactly are you talking about? Say missing.
No, you don't need to hold your love. Leave your love with her. Jackpot. So, Mokwi, make I ask you now. You see the picture of that traditional that couple. You understand?
They show me the things why I miss.
Some people they actually see this online. They sweet me past now. So they say all this money where they spray. Who carry them? They send you money where they spray.
My papa. I tell my papa.
Till now.
I don't see anything.
You know, it gets some kind of things where for traditional marriage we be saying, nothing so we say we don't even suppose negotiate. You understand? Like, see now, look the way the lady they dance. You gonna say this one they enjoy. This lady they dance like say the money the money.
You gonna say no be she spend.
So even food where they cook for your tribe, you know chopper. Food where you send money to make them cook. You no chopper.
Now it make you man now.
Hey! As in I know no. I know fit. I not fit marry again, no, but I not fit.
Now you get even if you die around, you get the kind of money where you go spend. You know fit up. You know fit up. Your mind no go day together. It be like that man who did that video now. As others they dance, you know.
He no dance so. I noticed the guy no dance.
You know the weight of expenses where you carry. You get the kind weight of expenses wey go down.
Give me that clip. Give me that clip when the man they try dance. When we say, you see where the man they try dance.
See the guy
in the dance. In wife, can they use the hand this thing? They play with them. See move. Should they cut onions?
Last. If you say they go house, that man sabi dance.
But the weight on the shoulder at that particular time. See where should they try?
See they do like rocking chair. They move from side to side.
The guy just look and say, nah. So all this money that I spent is on you. 2.8. Just for your clothes.
See the wife clothes. You go no say the man they bleed.
Even the lady they dance as if they dance as if say person don't come for a traditional marriage before. You know can work out.
That be another thing we do all this thing.
Yeah.
I dey think say you suppose find person where you and I'm on the same page with all this kind of thing. If you find woman, I know say it dey wrong to do lavish party or anything. But if you find woman where they say they on the same page with you, like say you know one big lavish party and she no want, it go help you.
But you know where that one they happen. I be no want big lavish party. You be no want big lavish party. But our people wanted big lavish party.
Imagine I'm saying you want them and they can't carry that their own put on top that your
So if they better say you tell them say you don't want them, make them do them, you understand? That where they invest me past now, I asked my father-in-law, I say, as I tell you, say, I just want to just do parlor something. You say no. So your daughter no be person where they'll do parlor something for. You understand? My mama self tell me say, nah, maybe first son, and I know be person where they do parlor something for. Now I ask them one question. The money for the party, where is it gonna come from? I asked my father-in-law, waiting you they support. I asked my mama, waiting you they support. Because I they do things based on my pocket. You can't carry your own, put on top. No. If I say I want 200 people and you say now 400 they come. Remember, I tell my mama pump and plane. All these your people where they pack come from your school, all the old primary schools for Lagos where you don't teach, then they come. She say, so make I give them just 3 canopies. I say, no problem. The money, then they rent canopy. I tell her how much canopy, I tell her how much chairs. But she say, no problem. I say, remember, I dey cook for 200 people. So if you are bringing extra 200, let your pocket be ready. She say, man, no way, say she dey cook for them. And now what did she do?
Card wey we do na 100. We collect 20, give my parents and my parents-in-law 40. They say, no, this is too small.
Are you kidding?
Everything that they talk for my old church, where we grew up, AG, they go say, the person honor herself, so they supposed honor her. She no misbehave. So if you do something with this small, it go be like, say, they give am belle, carry am, that kind of thing. So
mindset.
They want make it big. So they go do another card.
Are you serious?
Where I know see.
Use invite their own
people. I
people.
just say they don't print another card where our names they use the invite people. So some of these things, all those extra wahala, now parents will bring her. And person where they marry too, fee carry them to come. Because sometimes girl go say, I don't do ashebi for 10 persons. You mean say nobody go do ashebi for me? You understand?
Yeah.
Extra wahala na be that one.
So okay. What do you feel about bride price? Like, okay, man, no call them bride price because for me, I dey tell people say, like I told my wife, the day where we do the traditional marriage finish on Saturday, Pam. I tell her, I say, I don't marry you. She say, wedding. I say, no, open this Jerusalem, I must enter. Now bride price, now in Bible talk about, now be the most important thing. You understand? All these other rights, all these other things. Because I even see for list where we say the right say the bride they owe the younger brother money for 5 years. He never pay him. The man, the younger brother can say he get the time when elder sister cut in slippers. You understand? Say the husband go pay for it. You know all those things. What do you feel for these extra things? What do you feel say now they need to just remove from this traditional marriage rights? More just dey on a plain sheet.
Okay, first of all, make I tell you, if you don't dey involved, see how traditional marriage they go for East. You go know say the pattern and make it day entertaining.
Yeah.
It not supposed be something we go kill you at the end of the day or we go make you suffer. I don't hear of son-in-law where after you do everything, you go house. When they tell them say father-in-law they sick, say they need help. They say, why did they call him? Say they don't collect everything before now. So why did they call him again?
I even hear of a guy when we say he marry finish, the father-in-law come Lagos, come visit, come in the middle of the night. The guy tell and say, here in a house. Tell me the father-in-law go find where he go sleep. Say no, they enter a house, and he told the wife to tell him. And the guy, you know, that's see. And they tell our parents, it gets certain things where we need to just stop. You understand? Now, I want to hear from you too. It gets certain things where we need to stop. You understand? You go burden your son-in-law with so much thing. Forget say this thing. My papa tell me something during my time. He tell me say. Traditional marriage rights, they know they do and finish. Meaning say you go do the one way you feel do.
We do go.
Each time when you they visit your in-laws, you they drop something. Now that same rights, you understand? So now they ask now say, Shay, you feel pay traditional marriage rights by installment.
The way Igbo tradition pattern this whole marriage right thing. You know, fee pay finish. That's not true. You know, fee pay finish. Now I make for my side. I don't know about your own. For my side, if you come from outside my place, come marry. They'd advise you make you go get person from my place. We will be your negotiator.
You, yeah.
That person is supposed to help you. Make sure say the thing no go dey painful at the end of the day.
This the way you talk now. What's happen for my own?
Now to help you, now like that the pattern Igbo traditional wedding. Now you don't know where you they come, so get person we know way around.
Yeah, their tradition,
make that person
their
help
custom,
you.
Yeah.
If they tell you say you go bring 20 goats, you know mean say make you carry 20 goats. But you know some person in one show say they gallant. You go give 20 goats, finish, come back on they complain. Now
because I see like 48 tubers of yam for my own.
Yeah.
But in the end, I know just I bring reach 27.
Marriage for you, but they say it be like dog fight. If you fall for me, I fall for you. You get so now it be that thing. You need to. You supposed to understand. Say this is no be war. Now marriage, now love matter.
Yeah.
And parents supposed to understand. Say at the same as wickedness to carry on your burden, can't tie to bride price. Say they must do this. No, that's how our tradition is. I cannot allow our tradition to waste. No, that's no be that thing. if they do tradition like that, no be tradition you go chop at the end of the day.
That's
This one,
so.
the person don't become your son.
Son.
So if you kill him, what do you want make he do for you later?
Sonny, thank you very much because you don't the kind light so you don't shed for this place now. When I don't hear them now, make parents not they burden their son-in-law with so much thing to do because last you go still come this son-in-law house. So if he open door, now be say you doing well. If he no open door, now be say only female. You understand? So Sonny, I thank you very much. Thank you for coming for this show today.
It's my pleasure.
I also will still see you again. And make una remember, I said this now Marriage Palava on Top Nigeria TV. And once in a week, you will see our face. So make you keep safe, stay safe, because the way we be now, they say if we go another lockdown. The last lockdown where we go, women don't carry, all married women don't carry belly finish. At not they full. So if we go to the second lockdown, that is if we go stay safe. Pachie, we'll go see you next time. God bless you.
God bless you.